Did you know that some spiders are smaller than a grain of sand, while others are as big as a dinner plate, and that they drink their food like a milkshake? Stay tuned for more interesting facts. Welcome, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Today is Terrific Insect Tuesdays and we will discover spiders. Spiders are some of the most fascinating creatures in the animal world, and they are not insects even though they look a little like them. They belong to a group called arachnids, which means they have 8 legs instead of 6. Their bodies are divided into 2 main parts, and most of them have many eyes, sometimes up to 8. Even though spiders may look scary to some people, they play a very important role in nature. They eat insects like mosquitoes and flies, helping to keep the world balanced. When it comes to size, spiders can be incredibly different from one another. The smallest spiders are tinier than the head of a pin, while the biggest ones can be as large as a dinner plate. The Goliath birdiator tarantula, for example, has legs that can stretch up to 30 centimeters or 12 inches across, which is wider than a school ruler. Even though they have small bodies, spiders are surprisingly strong. Many of them can carry prey that is much heavier than themselves, and the silk they spin is even stronger than steel if you compare it by weight. A spider's web may look delicate, but it is one of the toughest natural materials in the world. Spiders are not exactly known for being smart in the way humans are, but they do have some clever abilities. They know how to build different kinds of webs, and some even design traps to catch their food. Jumping spiders have excellent eyesight and can figure out the best way to leap onto their prey. Trapdoor spiders dig little burrows with doors made of silken soil, and they wait patiently for insects to walk by before pouncing out. These hunting techniques show that spiders use problem solving in their own special way. Baby spiders are called spiderlings, and they hatch from eggs that are usually kept safe in silk sacks. A mother spider sometimes carries the egg sac with her until the spiderlings are ready to come out. When they first hatch, the babies are tiny versions of the adults. One amazing thing they can do is called ballooning. They release silk threads into the air, and the wind carries them away like little parachutes. This is how spiderlings can travel far distances to find new homes. Spiders can live in almost every part of the world. They are found in forests, deserts, mountains, caves, and even in water. The diving bell spider lives underwater by creating a bubble made of silk that traps air, which it uses to breathe. Other spiders can be found inside houses, barns, and gardens, often helping humans by eating pesky insects. Time for some funny and gross facts. Tarantulas can shoot tiny hairs from their bodies when they feel threatened, and these hairs can make predators itchy. Spiders drink the insides of their prey by turning them into liquid, which might sound disgusting but is very effective. In some species, the females are much larger than the males, and sometimes the female eats the male after mating. Even though this seems strange, it is just part of spider survival. Spiders may look creepy, but they are important creatures in balancing the ecosystem and serve an important function in nature. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.